Hi, this is Arup and this is your channel Language and Literature. You know, currently I am going through a new series of lectures on a new topic, that is classification of sentence on the basis of meaning. According to meaning, sentence is of 5 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory. I have already discussed about first 3 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative and imperative sentence. And from those lectures we have come to know that each type of sentence is unique in its structure and function. So optative sentence is not exception to. So what I am going to do today is that I am going to talk about the function of the optative sentence. That means I am going to make you understand what optative sentence is, and then I am going to introduce the structures one by one and with sufficient examples. So let me start the class with the definition of the optative sentence. The main purpose is to make you understand what optative sentence is. What is optative sentence? We use optative sentence when we want to express any blessing or curse or wishes or prayers. So when we want to express these things, blessings, curse, wishes or prayers, we use optative sentence. Optative sentence follows certain structures. I am going to introduce these structures one by one. The first structure is may plus subject plus be1 plus remainder, and it is really very common and popular structure we generally use regularly. One thing I should tell here is that when I was a high school student, my teacher used to give me the examples I am going to give you right now. May our president live long. May God bless you. May you be happy. So these are the very common expressions of this structure, and this structure is always used by us in our daily life, and it is really very common and popular structure. But the second structure is not so common, but it is one of the many types of structures of optative sentence. What is the second structure of optative sentence? May plus subject plus be plus be3 form of the verb. So let me make you understand with some examples. May you be called there. May the bad be punished. May the good be rewarded. May he be called there. So you can see may is followed by here by a subject, and then we use be and then be3 form of the verb. So this is the second structure, very uncommon one, but you can use it in your daily life. We hardly use this second structure, but lots of people use it too. And then we can go to the structure number 3. We use structure number 3 when we want to express any negative thought or idea or negative expression. For example, may plus a subject plus never or not plus be1 form of the verb plus remainder. So may he not do this work. May you never tell a lie. May he never go there. So these are the examples of structure number 3. And we use structure number 3 when we want to introduce any negative thought, negative idea or negative expression. And now we can go to the structure number 4, but structure number 4 is not similar to earlier one in response to the beginning of the structure. For example, the structure number 4 begins with not may, but it begins with a different word that is long, followed by live plus subject. For example, long live our president, long live our relationship. And these meanings can be generated through structure number 1. For example, may our president live long. So instead of saying may our president live long, we can say long live our president. So here we have 2 structures, but we can express the same meaning too. So you should remember this thing. And then we can go to the structure number 5. Structure number 5 begins with wish followed by an object plus remainder. Wish you a great day. Wish you a happy married life. Wish you wish you every success in your life. So these are the expressions of the structure number 5. Besides those structures, we have some random expressions too, and these expressions do not follow any structure. We need to remember through our daily practice. For example, happy birthday, have a great journey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So these are the general expressions which do not follow any structure. So these are the optative sentences I have talked about today. While discussing optative sentences, I have introduced 5 structures, and at the same time we have some random expressions too we need to remember. So what I want you is that you should go through these structures and try to bring your own examples in your daily life. That will help you understand optative sentence very better, and you will be able to have better control over optative sentence within very short period of time. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Thank you. Take care. Bye.